The court dismissed the 2 legal challenges to the vote in a unanimous decision by 6 judges. The repeat election had been ordered by the Supreme Court after it nullified the results of the August presidential election. Uhuru Kenyatta won 98% of the vote in the October polls, which opposition candidate Raila Odinga boycotted, challenging its fairness. This, in effect, paves the way for incumbent President Uhuru Kenyatta to be sworn in on November 28, though some believe his inauguration is unlikely to put an end to the country's political crisis.